Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best free spicy apps to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is actually super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, you will have to get the app code downloader to the Firestick. You can get it for free from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on the Firestick and start entering downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom now. So you click on it, and there's this orange app, which you gotta get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not ready to use yet, because obviously you'll still have to set it up. So now, in order to set up downloader on the Firestick, we will have to go to the settings. Firstly, I go to the home screen on your Firestick and then click that button with a gear icon, scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it, and now in here what you have to do is turn on the developer options on the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Firestick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging right here, then go to install unknown apps, and in here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. And there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Luxembourg right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you wanna stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it, and now we are ready to use the downloader, finally. So we go back to downloader, open it up, and here in the search bar, we'll have to enter a code. So the code will be 43871 4313. So once again, 438713. That is the code you have to enter now. Then you click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds. But after it is finished, you also need to make sure to install the app to your device by clicking on the installation button right here. And now let's finish the installation. And after that, do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And then let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is. Let's open it. Wait a moment for it to load. And here at the bottom you will find this new application. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it, and then on the right side menu, make sure to click on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.